The Dell's popular XPS family, which are among the best ultrabooks and premium laptops, is getting refreshed with Intel's latest Alder Lake H mobile processors. The new 12th generation processors will be available in the XPS 15 and XPS 17 to satisfy your needs in the 15.6-inch and 17.3-inch form factor, respectively. Given that the XPS family last received a significant design overhaul last year with a switch to 4-sided Infinity Edge 16:10 displays, there are no major visual updates for 2022. Instead, the big news comes under the hood, where the XPS 15 is available with either Core i5 12500H, Core i7 12700H or Core i9 12900HK processor. That flagship 12900HK delivers 14 cores, 20 threads, and a maximum turbo frequency of 5 GHz. All processors are paired with dual-channel DDR5-4800 memory in capacities ranging from 16 to 64 gigs. You can also configure a barebones system with just one stick of DDR5-4800 if you're looking to save a few bucks. As before, there are three 15.6-inch display options to choose from: 1920x1200, 3456x2160, and 3840x2400 pixels. The panels feature Dolby Vision support and eye-safe technology, while the Full HD Plus and 4K Plus panels are specs for 500 nits brightness and a 1600x1 contrast ratio. However, the option that many will want to spring for will be the 3.5K OLED panel, which boasts a 100,000x1 contrast ratio. Those displays can be paired with Intel UHD or Intel Iris Xe graphics, if you want to go the integrated route. However, if you require more graphics muscle for your workloads, Dell offers up NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3050 or RTX 3050 as options. Base configurations come with a 256 gigs PCIe 3.0 SSD, but 512 gigs, 1 TB, 2 TB, and 4 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD options are available. In fact, Dell says that you can equip the XPS 15 with up to 8 TB of storage if you wish. Users can opt for either a 56 or 86 watt-hour battery at the time of purchase, and all systems come equipped with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 USB 3.2 Type-C port, 1 full-size secure digital slot, and a 3.5mm headphone or microphone combo jack. If you require a slightly larger laptop with a bigger display and more graphics muscle, you can step into the XPS 17. It features the same available processor, RAM, and SSD configurations as the smaller XPS 15. Where things differ are with the displays and available discrete GPS. The base display option is a 17-inch Full HD Plus Infinity Edge panel, 500 nits, 1650x1 contrast ratio with an anti-glare coating. The premium option is the 4K Plus Infinity Edge panel, 500 nits, 1600x1 contrast ratio with anti-reflective coating and multi-touch support. Both panels support Dolby Vision with eye-safe technology. Regarding graphics, the first three choices are the same as on the XPS 15, Intel UHD, Iris Xe and RTX 3050. However, the XPS 17 has the option for the more powerful RTX 3060 for those that need more graphics muscle. All XPS 17 systems come with a 97 watt-hour battery and include 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, instead of 2 Thunderbolt plus 1 USB-C on the XPS 15. According to Dell, the XPS 15 and XPS 17 with 12th generation Alder Lake H processors launched today, priced from $1449 and $1849, respectively. However, please note that Dell says XPS 17 configurations with the RTX 3060 will not be available until April. Thank you for watching. I appreciate every comment from you. Subscribe to the channel. See you soon.